calculations, but this time, instead of drawing the pictures, what they have is they've got a couple segments. They call it CD, and they've got another segment, C prime, D prime. And they're telling us how long this one is, but they're not going to tell us how long this one is. That's going to be our job to figure out. They did give us a clue, though. They told us that it has a scale factor of 4. And another thing that we have is we have a formula that's going to help us out. So let's all write that down right now. It starts out with R equals image divided by pre-image. And you might remember back from earlier in notes that R stands for scale factor in this chapter. So that's going to be our 4 in a moment. So let's get that 4 in there, equals, and let's make our fraction. Now we have a decision to make, and I think this is the real challenge in this problem, is to figure out where to put that 6. Does it go on the top or does it go on the bottom? So let's see if we can use some common sense and figure it out. We notice that the 6 is on the shape that has the markings on it. And what we have to decide is that the image or the pre-image? Now remember, the markings are always put onto something when it's like the new one, when we've already manipulated it somehow, so blown it up or shrunk it down. So since this is like the new one, that would make this one like the original. This was like the original shape, and this one here is the new shape. So the original would be like the pre-image, and the new one would be the image. So the 6, since it goes with the image, the 6 is going to go on top here. And we don't know what the pre-image is. That's this one here, and we have no idea how long that is, so we're just going to put an X down there. So we need to solve for X. In Algebra 1 last year, you very frequently would put this as a fraction over 1, because if you have a fraction equal to a fraction, you can just use cross multiplying and dividing to solve. And that's exactly what we're going to do here. So that's going to give us 4x, which is equal to 6 times 1. I'm just going to write 6. By the way, from going from here to here, that's what cross multiplying is and looks like. Now we're going to divide by 4. So x equals 6 divided by 4. If we reduce that, that gives us 3/2. Or if you like to put it into your calculator, that would be 1.5. And again, either one of those is okay. But I kind of like 3/2 better. So they wanted the length of CD, and we're going to say that C to D is, we're just going to write either one of those down. I'll say it's 3/2. So we've used a dilation and a scale factor, and this fun little formula here, and we figured out how long CD is. Well done.